Welcome back to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve chapter number 8 of class 8, quadrilateral construction and types of practice set 8.1. So first question is given, construct the following quadrilateral of given measure. First question is, in quadrilateral MORE, M-O-R-E, length of MO is 5.8 centimeter, length of OR is 4.4 centimeter, measure angle is 58, measure angle M is 58 degree, and measure angle O is 105 degree, and measure angle R is 90 degree. So we have to construct the quadrilateral. Before doing construction, I want to request my viewer to please subscribe my channel, share and like. See, as you can see. So as you can see, what is given? MO is given 5.8 centimeter. So before starting construction, I am going to show you the rough diagram of it. So I am writing here. So this is our 5.8 centimeter MO. Okay. Now here, first measure angle M is equal to 58 degrees given. So we'll take angle 58 degree. Okay. Afterwards we will draw here measure angle 105. So 105 degree. Okay. Now here again you can see what is given. OR given 4.4 centimeter. So we will draw R from 0 to here 4.4 centimeter, then we'll get R. Okay, and what is given? Measure angle R is 90 degree. So here we'll take measure angle R. Here on this point we'll take measure angle R as 90 degree. So from here R point will take angle of 90 degree, which will join E. Okay, so this is our rough figure of MORE. Now we will start doing. First is given, I think it is visible. So here 5.8 will take. This is our first point, and here 5.8 here, and we'll draw line. Okay, up to here it is. This is our MO. Okay, I hope it is visible. MO. Now here what is given? We have to take M. Measure angle M is 58 degree. So from here we'll draw 58 degree. So 58 here. Okay, I'll join this. This is 58 degree angle. Okay, next we have to draw measure angle 0 as 105 degree. So I am keeping this D on 0. Now here 105 is here. I hope it is visible. Okay, we are going to draw this angle. We have to join. Okay, now here what is given? OR is equal to 4.4 centimeter given. Okay, now here first we'll write this 105 degree. Okay, now we will take 4.4. I hope it is visible. 4.4. Okay, now we'll draw 4.4 here. So this is our 4.4 centimeter and this point is our R. Okay, now what is given? Next, measure angle R is 90 degree. So we'll take measure angle R 90 degree. This is our 90 degree. So we are going to join. We are going to join here R E. So this is our E. Okay, this is 90 degree angle. Okay, now we have done the construction of quadrilateral OMORE. Okay, I hope you understood. So I'm writing here 5.8 centimeter. Now second question is given, construct quadrilateral DEFG such that length DE is equal to 4.5 centimeter, EF is equal to 6.5 centimeter and L length DG is equal to 5.5 centimeter and length DF is equal to 7.2 centimeter and length EG equal to 7.8 centimeter. Okay, now we'll draw first rough diagram of this. So first, what is given? Length of D is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now here measure angle EF is equal to 6.5 centimeter is given. So we'll take here measure angle EF equal to 6.5 centimeter. Okay, now here what is given? Here length of DG and DE is equal to 4.5 centimeter DE. Okay, and DF is equal to 7.2 centimeter. Okay, now here we'll take one angle that is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, this is our D and here DF is 7.2 centimeter. Okay, now here what given? Next, Now DG is equal to 5.5 centimeter. DG. Okay, DG 5.5 centimeter, and what is given? EG equal to 7.8 centimeter. EG means here EG and G. Okay, like this diagram we are expecting for this question number 2. Okay, now we are going to draw. Now first we will going to draw 6.5 centimeter. So I am taking here 6.5 centimeter. From here 6.5 here. Okay, that is our E and F. 6.5 centimeter. Okay, next what is given? DE is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So I will take 4.5 centimeter compass. So 4.5 centimeter. We'll take 4.5 centimeter and we'll keep this point on E and we'll draw one arc. Okay, this is our arc. Okay, now next question is given. See, now we have done DE 4.5 centimeter. Now DF is equal to 7.2 centimeter. We'll take DF, that is 7.2 centimeter here. Okay, 7.2 centimeter. I hope it is visible. .2 centimeter. 7.2 centimeter. I'm going to draw from F. We will draw one arc. Okay. Now we'll join. This point is our D. Now we are going to join E, D. Okay. And here D, F. I hope you are understanding. Okay, now next what is given? Now here EG is given 7.8 centimeter and DG is given 5.5 centimeter. So DG we have to take 5.5 centimeter. We have to take, this is our 5.5 centimeter, that is DG. So I am taking here with the help of this, will make one arc. Okay, now we have taken DG equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now EG we have to take 7.8 centimeter. Now EG 7.8 centimeter we have to take. Okay. Okay. Now from D we have taken 5.5 centimeter and from E we have taken 7.8 centimeter, which join here. That is our, we have taken D G as 5.5 centimeter and EG as 7.8 centimeter, and this point is called G, and we are joining this D and G point. Okay, now again, so we have joined EG, which we took 7.8. This is our EG. Okay, now what is given? EG is not mentioned in this, so we are going to join GF is not mentioned, so we are going to join this G with F. Okay, first we have taken EF as a 6.5 centimeter. Okay, afterwards we have taken 4.5 centimeter arc. Okay, then we got ED. I hope you understood. Now afterwards we have taken DG, that is 5.5 centimeter with the help of arc, and again afterwards we have taken EG 7.8 centimeter and we have joined EG. Okay, and at last we have joined GF, and our construction of quadrilateral we have finished. We have solved this question number 2. I hope you understood. See, first we have taken EF as 6.5 centimeter, then we took arc of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, then with the help of F, again we have drawn 7.2 centimeter arc and we have joined D. Okay, afterwards we have taken 5.5 centimeter arc here, and with the help of E, again we took a arc of 7.8 centimeter and we got G, and afterwards we have joined GF and we got the quadrilateral DEFG. I hope you understood question number 2. Now question number 3 is given. In quadrilateral ABCD, length AB is equal to 6.4 centimeter and length BC is equal to 4.8 centimeter, and measure angle is equal to 70 degree and measure angle B is equal to 50 degree and measure angle C is equal to 140 degree. So we are going to construct quadrilateral ABCD. So we will start with solution. Okay, first we will draw a rough diagram. Now what is given? Here AB is equal to 6.4 centimeter and BC is given 4.8 centimeter. Then we'll take first, suppose BC is 4.8 centimeter. Okay, now measure angle B is 50 degree. Okay, this is our 50 degree angle, and measure angle C is 140 degree. This is our 140 degree angle. Okay, now here as you can see we are having B, and here what is given? BC is equal to 4.8 centimeter. If we take B, here AB is equal to 6.4 centimeter is given, so we'll take from here to here one arc we're going to draw with 6.4 centimeter, and this arc is what? This arc, this point is called A, and what is given? Measure angle A is equal to 70 degree. Then we'll take from here 70 degree angle. Okay, now angle will join here. Okay, so this is angle A is 70 degree, angle B is 50 degree, angle C is 140 degree. I hope you understood. This is our ABCD quadrilateral. So I'm going to draw now. So please observe carefully. What is first given? BC is 4.8 from here to here. This is BC. This is our BC, 4.8 centimeter. Now we have taken 6.4 centimeter. That is our next step. I hope it is visible. 6.8 centimeter arc will draw from point B. Okay, this is our arc. Now here we are going to join this is 6.4 centimeter. Okay, this is our point A. Okay, now next step, now BC is what? 4.8 centimeter. Now next step is what? We have to take measure angle B as 50 degree. So I am taking here measure angle 50 degree. This is our point 50 degree. This is our measure angle 50 degree. I am joining here. This is angle 50 degree. Okay, now we have to draw an arc with 6.4 centimeter. Okay, 6.4 centimeter arc. 6.4 centimeter arc is here. Okay, now what is given? Angle, measure angle C is 140 degree. Again we'll take measure angle C as 140 degree. Okay, here 140 degree, 140 degree here. So this is 140 degree. Okay, 140 degree. Now this point is our A. Okay, and what is given? Angle, measure angle A is equal to 70 degree. So we'll take 70 degree from here, from this point we'll take 70 degree. So this is our 70 degree. This is our 70 degree. Now we are going to join this A. Okay, now this is our 70 degree. I hope you understood. Okay, now angle 70 degree. Measure angle A is 70 degree, measure angle B is 50 degree, and measure angle C is 140 degree. And this is our quadrilateral ABCD. We have done the construction. Question number 4 is given: construct quadrilateral LMNO such that length of LM is equal to length of LO equal to 6 centimeter and length of ON equal to length of NM equal to 4.5 centimeter and length of OM is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So now we are going to do the construction. Now first we will draw a rough diagram. Now we are going to draw a rough diagram here. Suppose this is our MO, that is 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Now what is given? LM is equal to LO is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. For example, we have taken one side equal 6 centimeter, both side. This is our L. So LO and LM is equal to 6 centimeter. Then this side, if we take 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter both side, and this is our N. Okay, this is rough diagram. Okay, now we are going to construct quadrilateral. So first we will take 7.5 centimeter. So here I am taking 7.5 centimeter. This is our 7.5 centimeter. Okay, this is our OM. And what is given here? LM equal to LO equal to 6 centimeter. Length of LM and length of LO is equal to 6 centimeter. So we'll take 6 centimeter here. With the help of compass, we'll take 6 centimeter. Okay, this is our 6 centimeter. Now here from M, I will take one arc, and from O, from both sides 6 centimeter arc. Okay, now we have to join this arc. With point. Okay, this is our L, and this is 6 centimeter, and this is also 6 centimeter. Now what is given? The opposite side 4.5 centimeter. Okay, here is 4.5 centimeter, that is ON equal to NM equal to 4.5 centimeter. So I am going to take 4.5 centimeter here. Here. This is our 4.5. With the help of M point, we are going to draw here one arc. Okay, and with the help of 0 point we are going to draw another arc. I hope it is visible. Now we are going to join this with point. This point is our N. Okay, now this is 4.5 centimeter and this is also 4.5 centimeter. Okay, this is our quadrilateral LMNO original diagram. I hope you understood. So practice it. We have completed practice set 8.1 of class 8.